Hi guys, Belinda here, welcome back. So lovely to see you here again. So I'm working on a, let's see, it's craft plywood and it's a 6 by 12 inch. So there's a bit of a sticker there, so I'm not going to do it on that side. So what I'm thinking of doing with this is actually turning it into a clock. So let's see, I'm going to move these into a little bit more, just put the tape on the back, probably around there, hey, let's see. So you want this to be relatively straight, or you know, onto, well, I've got the tile because my lazy Susan is lazy. So I think that might be about right. Try not to have it off center a bit. Hopefully that'll be okay. Right, let me just put my gloves on quick. Okay, so I have black here, and it has a bit of house paint, probably about, because there was more, so it was probably about almost a full cup, with about a teaspoon of the house paint, and it is pretty thick, as you can see. So what I want to do, what my plan of action is, I think I'm going to start, I'm just going to do like a section of black, maybe like that, and of course I'm going to cover up the this whole area. So I'll use up all of that black paint. Now this is paint that I've used in my previous video, so obviously I have some left. Go up to about there. And yeah, so I hope you're all doing well, and you know, I think a lot of you actually know that I am an ex-South African, and my heart really goes out to all of those, all the people in the infected areas. I have family there still as well. So yeah, it is a bit of a worry, I must say. I hope you all just stay safe, please. Right. So then I have this pink, which is apparently red, which I don't think is red. So I'm going to go in like there. So this is that house paint that I showed in the previous video. So I'll just go right up to the corner there. Just try and get it over the edge here. So I'm just wondering, guys, if I spin this now, is my black and my pink going to mix? I've been giving that a lot of thought, and I was like, I wonder if it will. It might just go. So let's not, let's not do that. So I have a very strong feeling that that's exactly what it's going to do. So I'll just give that a quick torch. Okay, just want to cover that you see over there, like that. And then, I like those colours together actually, quite pretty. So now I have, so this is Florescent Yellow by B.A.D, and this is that baby Huxley, and this of course is the red, but this is actually B.A.D, and I've got a bit of gold in there, and a little bit of red house paint, fire engine red. And then I have some blue, which is like that cyan blue, very pretty. And B.A.D, not B.A.D, is it B.A.D? Florescent Green. So this is the baby Huxley, the Valspar. So this colour here is also Valspar, and it does actually give really good sols. So there's no silicone in any of my paints. Right, so let's see. What colours am I going to go in with first? Because I want to do, yeah, let's go in with the red first. Although I think that red and pink is going to be a little bit much together. I'll go in with quite a bit of red. And then let's go in with some of this baby Huxley. So this baby Huxley is actually just like an off-white. It's kind of a cream off-white. I'm going to put some over there, probably around the sides there. Now this one, in my last video, I actually used it as the cell activator. So now I'll go in with blue. I think I'm going to use the yellow as the cell activator. So obviously the blue, you know, I'm thinking the blue and the red probably come out with a greenish colour. Might be too much paint, guys, but you know me, pretty heavy-handed. Alright, then the yellow. So this is the cell activator, and I'm just going to put it directly on top of the blue. Whoa, too much paint, far too much paint, because I really like this yellow. Okay, whew. Wish me luck, guys. Too much paint. I think it's going to end up everywhere. Okay, and then we're using the world's smallest blower. So I've taken the nozzle off. Right, so I was just trying to move some of the paint around. There's a lot of paint on here. And I don't know, guys, you can see that. Let me try and zoom you in a little bit. Let's see. So you can see all of the cells popping up, really looking beautiful. Alright, I'll just zoom you out a bit. Now let's spin this just to try and get rid of some of that paint. I feel as though the whole thing is moving over. I like this here, but it's way off it's off it already. Okay, let's put a bit of green in. And I would like some of that green here. And I'm just going to go straight in with this green up here. Okay. Now I'm going to take my skewer. Now this is actually a chopstick. It's not even a skewer. And I'll just zoom you in so you can see a little bit better. Okie dokie. I like that a lot. Go this way, it's thinner. Alright. I'm going to take some of this black here and run it through here. And that gives it some really good contrast. Let's bring this down. Oops. So guys, I was busy talking to you, but you weren't there. So this comb, actually, or hair slide, not too sure what it's called, it does make some really good patterns, as you can see. So I've decided I'm going to keep this area here and just run through wherever I can. So that really makes nice patterns there. And I think I'll just quickly go through here. I think my battery might be a little bit flat as well. So let's go through and keep that part there. And run through it this way. I like that now over there too. Yeah, I'm just wondering, because those patterns are really nice. Okay guys, I think I'm actually going to stop right there. I do like those patterns. I'll bring you in for a close-up. Alright guys, this is it. I can see some of that green is still showing. And I really love all of that lacing. There are still little squiggle doodads there, which also look nice. And this part here, I absolutely love. See all the cells and the lacing. And of course this is the part that I did with the comb, the hair comb, or hair slide. I think there's quite a bit of movement in it. Of course I like that there with the bright yellow shining through in this section here as well. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. I do appreciate everybody. And I appreciate your time. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.